Delicious Chicken Biryani Recipe, Step-by-Step Guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a treat for all the food lovers out there. We're going to show you how to make a mouth-watering chicken biryani, packed with flavors and aroma that will leave you craving for more. So let's get started. Ingredients: 500 grams basmati rice, 750 grams chicken, cut into pieces, 2 large onions, thinly sliced, 4 tomatoes, finely chopped, 1 cup yogurt, curd, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 2 green chilies, slit, 1/4 cup fresh coriander leaves, chopped, 1/4 cup fresh mint leaves, chopped, 2 tablespoons biryani masala, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoons cumin seeds, 4 to 5 cloves, 4 to 5 green cardamom pods, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 1/2 cup fried onions, optional for garnish, 4 cups water, 1/4 cup ghee, clarified butter, 1/4 cup cooking oil, salt to taste. First, we'll start by washing the basmati rice thoroughly and soaking it in water for about 30 minutes. While the rice soaks, let's marinate the chicken. In a bowl, add the chicken pieces, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, half of the chopped coriander leaves, half of the chopped mint leaves, half of the biryani masala, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt to taste. Mix it all well, and let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now, in a large cooking pot, heat the ghee and cooking oil. Add the cumin seeds, cloves, green cardamom pods, bay leaves, and cinnamon stick. Let them splutter for a few seconds to release their aroma. Next, add the thinly sliced onions and cook them until they turn golden brown. This will add a rich flavor to our biryani. Now, it's time to add the marinated chicken to the pot. Cook it on medium heat until the chicken becomes tender and the masala is well blended. While the chicken cooks, let's prepare the rice. In a separate pot, bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the boiling water. Cook the rice until it's about 70% cooked. We want the rice to be slightly undercooked at this stage, as it will finish cooking later when we layer the biryani. Once the chicken is tender and the masala is well cooked, add the chopped tomatoes and green chilies. Cook for a few more minutes until the tomatoes become soft and the flavors meld together. Now comes the fun part, layering the biryani. In a large, deep cooking pot, start by adding a layer of the partially cooked rice. Then, add a layer of the chicken masala on top. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves over the masala for an extra burst of flavor. Repeat this process until you've used up all the rice and chicken masala. Lastly, sprinkle the remaining biryani masala over the top layer, and for an optional garnish, add some fried onions. Now, cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and let the biryani cook on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. This will allow the flavors to infuse and the rice to become perfectly cooked. And there you have it, a delectable and aromatic chicken biryani that's sure to impress your family and friends. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!